Tignan natin to. Egg bomb sandwich. Okay, mantika, binateng itlog. Alright. Okay, yung pangputlong yung tinapay na yun Pinatong doon. Iwa. Set aside. Isa pa ulit. Egg bomb talaga. Egg bomba. Yan pa lang, okay na. Ayos na sa akin yan. Oh, nilagyan pa ng cheese sa ibabaw. Giniling na karne, konting vegetables, and ketchup. Oh dear Lord, very nice. Fold it. I let your body decide. With fries, very good.